All right, we're here at Dave & Buster's in Phoenix, Arizona. It's in a kind of like a outdoor strip mall area. Now we just have to figure out how to get in to this Dave & Buster's. Oh, over there, down there. Okay, down there a little farther. So, pretty cool. Oh, where was that other place? Wait, there's stairs going upstairs too. Where was that other one that we went to that was like that? Yeah, Kansas City. Alright, so this is interesting. It's split level. This first level is bowling. And then we're going up to the arcade. I don't think I've ever been to a Dave & Buster's that also had bowling. Very nice. There's another Tombstone autograph picture. So yeah, that was interesting. Let's go upstairs, see what the arcade is like. Alright, here we are. We're at Dave & Buster's, Phoenix, Arizona. We're gonna see what they got. They got Pong. They got music extremely loud. There's a plush machine, claw machine, tailgate toss. It actually looks like a low score. If you want to try it, I'm going to be walking around recording. He'll catch up to me. I just want to do a quick walkthrough, see what games we got here. Virtual reality. Rampage, I like that game. Another old school coin pusher. Donkey Kong, that's cool. Zombie Snatcher. Jelly Lab. Oh, that's interesting. This is the first Dave & Buster's I've seen with a divider like that. I like it. Let's see. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go back and forth. All right. So, Zombie Snatcher. It's a good one. They got Zombie Out. Star Trek Coin Pusher. Got Angry Birds Coin Crash over there. And then what's that? Red Zone Rush. The showroom. I don't know what that is. I guess they have a movie theater, maybe? I don't know. That's interesting. Halo. The bar. The restrooms. Steam Revolution. Platinum Lounge. Wow, they have a lot of extra rooms in this Dave & Buster's. Alien? I'm gonna have to check our Dave & Buster's. I don't think we have this one. That's really cool. I want to play that. So the Injustice League. I think I'm back at the beginning. Justice League. Star Trek Coin Pusher. Alright, that's it. It's very big Dave & Buster's. Alright, this is the Star Trek Coin Pusher. I'm just going to show it real quick. I'm not going to play, but this is all 6 stacks are cards, not coins. Remember?
There's nothing wrong with that machine. I don't know what's going on. It kept not functioning. I don't know.
So anyway, it's got all 6 stacks. I'm not going to play it. I walked around. There's no tribbles or anything. So, all right, I'm back at the Zombie Snatcher. There's actually 2 pucks out right now. So, Robert's gonna play this for a little bit. Or is that, wait, 1, 2. Oh my God, there are 3 zombie pucks out at the same. I've never seen it where there's 3 at the same time. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, I'm gonna watch Robert play zombie. I was gonna do a video of the game room here in Phoenix. I'm not going to. It is identical to the Tucson game room. So if you're curious what, the prize room. This prize room is identical to the Tucson prize room. So watch my Tucson prize room if you're interested to see what prizes there are, because this is exactly the same. I did not see a sign for NFTs, but she says they do have them. Oh, I can't believe I didn't get that. Oh, I couldn't. Oh my God. I didn't even get that 100. Did you just get another song? He's up to 3 letters. Oh, and now we just got another zombie. 50, I got 50. I was going for that zombie in the back row, but that's fine. I'll take 50. $250. Oh man.
Are they coming back out again?
You what?
They keep coming back out.
I know. I've never seen. You can just get this bonus over and over again. I've never seen anything like this. I wish they would do this at our Dave & Buster's. We'd play this all day long. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna let him win it because I'm not good at this. Not let him. I mean, obviously, I can't let him do anything. He's awesome at this. I'm gonna find something else that I'm actually better at. All right, that was Phoenix, Arizona, Dave & Buster's. So that location was a split level. They revamped a previous restaurant. I don't remember the name. One of the employees told me, and they have a bowling alley. She said there's only 5 Dave & Buster's that have bowling alleys because St. Louis is not one of them. I talked to several employees and they were so super friendly. The manager did have to get the NFTs first. Of course, we got 50 NFTs. He wasn't the friendliest guy. I don't know what it is about Dave & Buster's management. The managers are always like to have better things to do than help the customers, I guess. They just, I don't know, a bit snobbish sometimes. But I've never had an issue with employees themselves. They're always super friendly. I played a claw machine a lot, talked to an employee who was super nice and was saying that in May, Dave & Buster's will get a couple new machines for the year. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what they are. Overall, we had a nice time. It was Half Price Wednesday, so Robert was killing it on Zombie Snatcher. Oh my God, just rough estimate how many tickets you think you got today?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, I think at least 10,000.
Yeah, and he just was...
I had 420 credits and I'm down to 70 or 80, so...
Wow. Because this Zombie Snatcher had 3 pucks at once.
Yeah.
And each puck is a letter, and you spell out zombie, you get the jackpot. Every other Dave & Buster's is usually there's only 1 puck at a time. So you just got to, you won that jackpot a lot quicker. And I won a couple zombie pucks, but I'm not as good as Robert. And then I got sucked into that rubber ducky claw machines. We don't have that in St. Louis. So overall, yes, Phoenix is a nice location, but I might be biased. St. Louis is still the best. We've been to at least 10 Dave & Buster's by now. St. Louis is still the best. Maybe we'll find one better. I'm still gonna go to all kinds of different Dave & Buster's, but so far, St. Louis is #1. So, you got any thoughts?
Nope.
No, we're gonna...
You don't have something nice to say about anything at all.
He didn't like the manager either. He didn't like that manager. I don't know.
If I was a manager, here I go again.
Go
I'm
ahead.
never happy with anything.
That's fine.
If I was a manager and I know somebody's from out of town, I'm going to actually try to be a little,
Friendly.
not more friendly, but at least they're coming to your establishment when they're out of town. They don't have to go anywhere.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When you're on vacation, which we're not, but if you're on vacation, you don't need to go there.
Yeah.
You would think they'd be a little more welcoming.
Yeah.
And they're not. They're just not the friendliest people. I don't know what it is. It's weird.
And we're not, and the employees
I'm not
are super
bashing
nice.
anybody. I just don't. The managers.
I know.
I like the one we have in St. Louis.
Yeah.
He's the nicest. So anyway, that's it.
No, it's just I have to not speak to managers and only speak to the employees.
The employees are phenomenal.
I mean, the manager is an employee, but you know what I'm saying. There's levels of working, and that top level, but that lower level. All right. Talk to you later.